Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making a beautiful floral painting using only stencils and paint, which means that anyone can do it. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. Are you ready? Let's make a floral painting. Go crazy with color and layers until you get your painting just the way you want it. Remember, there are no mistakes. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.